Just thought I'd make a little video here. My neutral light wasn't coming on, so it wouldn't pass the safety check. So, yeah, your neutral indicator here. So, one thing you can do, first thing, come down here. Here's your neutral switch. So you can just take these two wires off of here, and with it in neutral, the switch should be closed, so you can ohm it out. And when it's in gear, the switch should be open. We'll test that first, and if that checks out good, you have continuity across the switch with the wires disconnected when it's in neutral, then next thing that I did, you go up to your console, take out this bolt here, and there's one underneath your seat here, so you take your seat off. Okay, your console is going to pull out, you flip it over, and underneath you're going to have wiring harness. Okay, so once you get this the console off, you're going to see all of these connectors underneath. So you're going to want to pull this one here, remove this one here from the indicators underneath, and you're going to see you got LEDs, and with the key on, the ignition on, and with the bike in neutral, what you're going to do to test this LED is there's one white wire on the back here. You can see it right there. It goes to the terminal N. So you're going to take a jumper wire and you're going to touch that, and then ground it somewhere on your bike. And by grounding the N, if your LED lights, then the LED is not the problem. In my case, the LED didn't come on, and turned out this was the issue. I had some corrosion going on in here. This harness here is about $50 from the dealer. All you do is unplug your LED. You have a couple clips for the speedometer, and these other clips here, and then you follow it down, and inside the neck there's a large grommet. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a large grommet. You just pry that grommet out, the rubber grommet, and you'll see a connector. Pull the wiring out. You'll see this connector here, and just disconnect it, and this whole thing here, and like I said, it's about $50. But if that isn't your issue, what happens is the neutral switch, when it closes, it sends a signal to your BCM, and that is going to send a signal to your speedometer, which closes a contact to ground, which turns your light on. So basically you were testing all that by, well, not testing all that, but you're testing your light by grounding it. Maybe that's a common cause of the corrosion in here. Maybe you have that issue. Alright, I'll hope that helps somebody. If it's not any of that, then you could have a wiring issue. Okay.